Hi everyone, it's Deb back again, and I have got another 12x12 layout using the pink paisley again and again collection. If you haven't seen the last video, I highly recommend that you go check it out. I am showing how I'm killing this collection by making layouts. This was the only full piece of pattern paper I had left, so I'm just trying some different configurations before settling on what I want for my layout. Now sorry, the video is a little bit blurry and washed out. It does get better, so I apologize for that. So yeah, that was the only full sheet I had left, and I've got a bunch of scraps. I've still got quite a bit of ephemera at this point. Actually, I did have quite a bit of ephemera even after I had enough of this collection, and I'd really killed all them paper scraps that I had. But that's okay because it went back into my stash. So I knew that I wanted like those triangles around the edges in each corner, and I've just got like a piece of cardstock there to represent my photo at the moment. Just playing around with the ephemera pieces, and now I am distressing the edges of each of these triangles, and I will take it to my sewing machine, which is to the left of me. I've got one of those IKEA desks, and the left part to the left of me is the L part that joins up to this part. That I'm not making any sense. It's like in an L shape, and I'm at the desk that's parallel to my window, and then the L kind of goes up the other side of the wall, and that's where I got my sewing machine. I'll have to do a craft room tour one day. So I did stitch around the edges of those triangles, and I'm going to stick them down. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this side. I didn't really like it, but I do like the way this layout came out because the stripes break up that blue. So, and at the start you saw me trying all the different ways to use it, and yeah, some ideas if you wanted to give this a go. So I printed my photo out, and I've got this little book. I think it's Die Cuts with a View, and it's just got plain cardstock in it, and I like to use it to map my photo. So I am going to map my photo on white first, and then on that brown, which matched the brown in the pattern paper quite well. Just trimming that up now. And then I do fuss around with the ephemera a bit more, and just trying to get as much used as I can. There are scraps that go behind the photo too. I know the camera's far away now, but when you see the close-up pics at the end, you'll see them. Just trimming up some of them scraps to make them look a bit more square. Yeah, and I'm really sorry that some of this video is out of focus and washed out, and then goes good, and then I mustn't have hit the focus button on my phone when I was filming. And I'm right under a window that lets in a lot of light too, so it does wash it out a bit. So I bring the puppy sticker sheet in like I have with the other layouts. I'm going to bring a doily in from my stash. I do get a circle punch out and punch this circle because I've got the circle on top of the photo. I wanted to bring in a circular element to the bottom of the photo. And yeah, just fussing around. I'll start gluing things down, and I do bring in Oh, I think they're from Prima, the paper flowers. And I think I may have got them from Steph in my advent calendar last year. I can't remember. So you can see the scraps, like when I move the photo. No one's going to see that when once everything's glued down. Just buzzing around, and then I'll bring the flowers in. Okay, so I'm bringing the flowers in, and then I wanted to figure out my title. So I did go into my stash, into my thicker stash, and pull this word out. Not sure, it might be no, I don't think it came with a collection. It was just, I think it's just one of those ones that have got all the titles done for you. And then I've got these little tile alphas to spell out capture the beauty, or capture the, and then use beauty with the thicker. Gluing everything down, and you would have seen I've distressed all the edges of all them bits and pieces that are going under my photo to match what I'd already distressed on the layout. I feel so rusty doing these voiceovers. It's been like a super long time. So after I've done this, I think there's one more process with this collection. I am going to do a layout share, and also I will have some pictures on my blog. I'm going to try and remember, because it was quite a few years ago now that I got this collection, try and remember what exactly I had to start off with, and so you can get a sense if you would like to see that. And yeah, so I'll do a layout share with the 3 layouts that I've done on camera, and I think there's 2 or 3 layouts that I made up at retreat, and I love how all of the layouts turned out. So just gluing these tile alphas down. They have long since lost their sticky. I've had them for a very long time, so just adding some glue to them to make sure that they stay there. Otherwise I'll go pick up my layout one day and they'll be missing letters. Those little gold butterflies, they're just punched out of gold cardstock. That reflective gold cardstock you can get from Spotlight or the $2 shop. I just used a punch. Bringing in those puffy hearts again, and again they've lost their sticky, so I'm just putting some glue on the back to make sure that they are there to stay. So that's pretty much it for this layout. I did add some messy thread under my flowers. I do bring in my journaling, which is just typed on the computer, some Jen Hadfield mist that I splattered around, and it's quite a simple layout, but I still like how it turned out. If you haven't checked out the previous layout, I will leave the link down below, and the next one will be up soon, so I'll catch you in that one. See ya!